This is the tutorial for CSGO Skin Maker app. When in camera control mode, if I move my fingers over the 3D model, it gets rotated and we can view it from different angles. Pinching does the zooming in and zooming out onto the model. When clicked the top right 3D button, pan mode is activated to move the model when finger dragged over the screen. Reset button is there just bottom to it to reset the camera position. Go to the paint mode by clicking the brush icon on top left. Select the color from the left palette. Move the finger over the 3D model to color it. You can use geometry mode so as to limit paint from going out of set bounds. Keep in mind to drag your fingers slowly in this mode, otherwise the paint would break through the red region. In sticker mode, you can use default stickers to apply over the guns. Or else you can use custom images from your phone's gallery as sticker by clicking custom button. Click on any dot so as to create space for gallery's image. I should save this file so that I can retrieve it again anytime later. Click on the down arrow button at bottom left to save the file. Provide file name. Click the tick mark. Now if I log in afterwards, then click on the up arrow button at bottom left. Select the file which you want to open and click the tick mark. When you do wrong coloring, you have the option to undo or redo. But there are limited undo available. So make sure you keep saving your textures from time to time. Color palette also has color add button below it. Use it if you will be requiring that color again. Subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any further updates.